Hey, what's up? Aaron here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out this website called Mintalise, and you're wondering, can you really join today and start making extra money just 100% online, right? So let's take a look at Mintalise. I've reviewed hundreds of these types of websites. This is known as a GPT website. How much can you make? Is this worth your time, or is this just a waste of your time? All right. Now, at any time, if you want to get my favorite way to get to 5 to 10,000 US dollars per month, 100% from home, all you need to do is just click the link in the description box, and I'll send that strategy to you for free to your email if you want. Okay, now let's take a look at Mintalise. Again, I have reviewed hundreds and hundreds of these types of websites. This is one of the newer, what we call GPT style websites, get paid to do something, right? And the nice thing about Mintalise is you can join from anywhere in the world, so you can literally just come here, earn what they call mints, okay? And mints will be converted into money, so we'll talk about that in a second. And all you need to do is just sign up and you can join from anywhere in the world. Click on the different offers, you earn mints. 1,000 mints is equal to 1 USD, okay? So 1,000 to 1, and then you can redeem them for either gift cards or money. Very, very straightforward, okay? Now let's take a look at some of the ways that you can earn. So if you come up here to earn mints themselves, there are a few different ways that you can do it, okay? So they've got featured offers, they've got offer wall providers. So these are some of the different people that offer these offers. So all these are very, very big companies. The survey providers are CPX Research and Theorem Reach, also very, very big. And Loot.tv is a video provider where you can watch video. They will show you ads, and then you can make mint points, which you can then convert into money. All right, so let's take a look at some of the ads. All right, so I'm just going to click into hang ads, and these are the main ways that you're going to be making money. And they divide them into different categories, which is cool, right? So surveys, utilities, and games. Okay, so right now this is a mixture, but I'll just show you the mixture. The way that this works is basically for, let's just say, offers, right? An offer is something like IQ option right here. So this potentially can make you 33,600 mint points, which is basically equivalent to about $33. All right, now that sounds like a lot of money, but you have to understand that some of these offers requires you to jump through a lot of hoops before you can actually make that many mint points, right? So this one, if you read this properly, you probably have to deposit at least $10 with them in order to then make the mint points back. So some of them will require you to invest money in the offers before you can get money back, right? So some of them are worth it, but some of them are not. It just really depends on the offer, okay? So some of them are really, really cheap, like run the app, new users only. You get 10 cents here, right? 12 cents actually, right? Here you get 30 cents if you run the Alibaba app, for example. This is another GPT website, cash them and play, you can win. This is actually a video game website. You can potentially earn 73 cents, right? If you do this, some of the let's take a look at the surveys, okay? So I'm gonna show the surveys themselves. Some of them is survey time, complete a survey with valid information. You get 27 cents here. Here, this one is take a survey. You complete it in 15 to 20 minutes. You'll get 58 cents. All right. So this is real money that you can convert into real points that you can convert into money, which is pretty cool. All right. And then you can play, let's just say, games. So let's take a look at the games right here. Some of them you can make 60 cents. Some of them you can make 81 cents. This one you make 10 cents. You get the idea. This one you can make $12. But you see, you have to play and reach 4,000 meters and earn rewards along the way in order for you to get $12. So this might take you a long time. Okay, it might take you hours. It might take you days in order to do this. So it just depends on what offer is available to you in what country, right? So this will look different to you depending on what country you opt into, right? So that's all. You come in here, you fill out surveys, you download offers, you play games, and you will earn more mint points. Now, when you're ready to redeem, let's take a look at the thresholds, okay? So in order for you to redeem, you must have a minimum of 5,000 mint points, which is basically $5. That's okay. In terms of a threshold, a lot of GPT websites have a threshold of usually $5 to $10 to $20. So $5 is quite low, not bad. I think you can get to $5 fairly quickly with Mintalise, which is pretty cool. I mean, you've seen roughly how many points they offer you over there, right? So it might take you a few hours to get to a few dollars. Okay, so depending on if you're filling out surveys or you're playing games, sometimes it'll take you longer. It just depends. But if you're spending 2 to 3 hours on this website a day, you can get to roughly, I would say, $2 to $3. All right, so it's not a crazy amount of money. You're earning roughly about $1 per hour, but it is free. and you can access it from anywhere in the world. And if you're ready to withdraw, you can withdraw here through PayPal, for example. So in my country, actually, there's a threshold of only $1 for PayPal. That's pretty cool. So in some countries where they don't have as many offers, they will offer you, they will allow you to withdraw at lower amounts. Okay, even with Visa here, I can withdraw at $1. So the thresholds are pretty low. Okay, so this is, I think, initially, right? And then after that, you can withdraw at pretty low amounts, which is pretty cool. In your country, it might be a bit more, because in bigger countries, the minimum is $5, right? So it just depends. And then there are lots of gift cards depending on where you live in the world. And this is my country, so we've got Grab. This is our kind of our food and travel app. Watson's is big here, Starbucks is big here, and then we've got a medical center here as well, and all sorts of different ones as well, which is pretty cool, right? Glow, Laser Center, Häagen-Dazs, right? So your country, it'll look slightly different, all right? So I would say Mintalise, definitely for a GPT app, one of the better ones that I've seen. They pay out pretty well. You're not gonna get rich overnight, right? This is, again, is roughly about 1 hour, 80 cents to $1 per hour of your time. It isn't that much money, but it's legit. There are low payment thresholds, and they've got lots of surveys and games and offers that you can play around with, which is pretty cool. All right, so if you want to check out Mintalise in your country, just head over to mintalise.com. All right, remember that you're not going to get rich this way, but it is free, and you can make real money by spending quite a lot of time on the actual app itself. All right, but if you're here right now watching this video, maybe you're looking for a side hustle, maybe you're looking for full-time income online, and you don't necessarily want to make $1 per hour. Maybe you want to make hundreds of dollars per day. Look, if you're going to be spending 2 to 3 hours online anyway, you may as well be maximizing the amount of income that you can make, right? So if you would like to find out my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 per month, every month minimum, 100% online, you just need an internet connection and a computer. All you need to do is just click the link below. I'll send you my favorite strategy on how to do that directly to your email, and take it, run with it. It's one of the best strategies that I've ever used in over a decade. All right, I hope you enjoyed this review of Mintalise, and I will see you on another review video. Take care.